The following message is transmitted at the request of the Orlando, Florida Police Department. A large group of individuals dressed as clowns are terrorizing the public throughout the city of Orlando. Reports are that they are carrying guns that look like toys, but contain actual ammunition. The public is advised to avoid any large groups of clowns that they may encounter. If you see one coming towards you, it is recommended that you flee the area as quickly as possible. Authorities are being dispatched to the area, and should have this situation under control shortly. Stay tuned for further updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of Florida Emergency Management. 2 groups of deadly clowns have been reported in the cities of Tampa and Orlando. They have been reported to be tossing confetti that is toxic to humans, and is considered extremely dangerous. Other observations are that they have cans containing venomous snakes, and are throwing pies that are capable of injuring those that are hit with them. They are celebrating with bicycle horns and balloon animals. All clowns across the state of Florida are now presumed to be dangerous, and should be avoided at all costs. If you come across one, you need to get away from it immediately. Authorities are recommending for all persons to stay indoors and turn off all lights until the threat has passed. If you are currently in clown attire, you need to change out of it now. If you are dressed in such a way, you may be mistaken for a rogue clown, and may suffer injury or death. The following message is transmitted at the request of Florida Emergency Management. The previously reported outbreak of clowns in Orlando and Tampa have now spread to numerous locations throughout the country. The outbreak has greatly increased in number, and is now considered to be out of control. All residents of the state of Florida, and across the country, are strongly encouraged to shelter in place until further notice. To shelter in place, take the following actions. Go inside. Close all windows and doors. Turn off all lights and major electronic devices. Close off all fireplace dampers and vents. Stay off of the phone unless you have a life-threatening emergency. Continue to monitor media outlets for more updates on this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of Florida Emergency Management. The clown uprising that started in the state of Florida has ended. The leader of the group was severely injured when he slipped on a banana peel and spilled toxic confetti on himself. Many of the rogue clowns are now in custody. The shelter-in-place warning has been lifted. It is safe to exit your shelters. Authorities are still recommending for everyone to stay on guard, and to avoid all clowns until the threat has completely passed.